Are you struggling to get noticed in the competitive tech industry? Your developer portfolio might be the key to unlocking new opportunities. Your portfolio isn't just a collection of projects. It's a narrative that showcases your journey, technical prowess, and dedication to software development. When selecting projects, aim for diversity. Include both personal and professional work that demonstrates a broad range of skills and aligns with the roles you're targeting. Detail each project comprehensively. Clearly define your role, list the technologies used, discuss challenges and solutions, and highlight the impact. A well-presented portfolio enhances the viewer's experience. Create a dedicated personal website with a clean, user-friendly design, and incorporate visual aids like screenshots and demos. Showcase high-quality code by including well-documented snippets that demonstrate clarity, efficiency, and adherence to best practices. Incorporate testimonials and feedback to bolster your credibility. Share positive feedback from clients, peer reviews, and highlight successful project outcomes. Keep your portfolio up to date by regularly adding new projects, reflecting your latest skills, and ensuring all links and content are active. Tailor your portfolio for specific opportunities by emphasizing relevant projects and skills, adjusting project narratives, and focusing on experiences that demonstrate your suitability. Crafting an impressive portfolio can capture the attention of potential employers and advance your career. Start building your standout portfolio today.